cocktail that we can all drink together. Oh wait, I can't drink it. That you guys can all drink together for the virtual baby shower. So I'm gonna show you guys this drink that we came up with. So the ingredients you're gonna need are ice, lemon slices or lime slices, tequila of your choice. We have the 1942 Don Julio here, Margarita Mix. We have the lemon or lime flavored, and then the
blue Curacao.
That. And then you're also gonna need cups and a pitcher to mix it all together.
Los ingredientes que necesitamos son un poco de hielo al gusto, limón, tequila del que tengan a la mano, Margarita Mix y de este que se llama Blue Curacao.
If you want salt, you can add salt or sugar because it's a margarita. Okay, so you're gonna take your ice, fill your pitcher with ice. Oh, we need shot glass. Or you want to do 2 shots of tequila.
2 shots of vodka.
Okay, add the tequila. However much tequila you want to add. If you want to get real hype. Oh, okay. That's a decent amount for the pitcher. Let's add the jif of the lady and 2 shots of tequila, and it's the whole bottle. Okay, add about that much. The blue color. I feel like we're doing a science experiment. And then we're gonna mix it. Mix it all together. Oh, we gotta add the limes. I'm just gonna add all of these in here. And it's like a lemonade, margarita. Once you mix it all together, you can add salt or sugar to the rim of your cup. Let's pour this in. You're gonna be the taste tester. No, I can't drink this one.
No, just put them in down.
Oh, you're gonna give it to somebody. Are you gonna have 2 or are you gonna give it to somebody else? Try it.
Now, let's try.
What does it taste like?
Delicioso.
So that one is our alcoholic option, but we also have an option for the non-alcoholic drinkers like myself. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the mocktail. So now we have our ingredients for our mocktail. So this one, all you're gonna need is ice, again, a few lemon or lime slices, and then you can either choose between Powerade or Gatorade, whatever you like best, and Sprite. So we're just gonna mix. I like Powerade, and this one's gonna be mine. So that one's yours. So we're just gonna pour about that much of Powerade, and then the other half of Sprite. Did I shake it before?
Yes.
No, I didn't. Don't do that stuff. That's not part of it. Mix it together. And then you have your mocktail.
That's it.
That's pretty good. It's like a Sonic slushie. So we hope you guys enjoyed, and you will be enjoying your drinks with us on June 20th at 5 p.m. We are going to go live on Facebook in the group, but we're also going to try to do rooms on Facebook, and if not, Zoom. So there's going to be many ways that we can interact. If you guys have any questions, let us know and we can help you set everything up.